So hey out there guys, I was working on the Colorado most of the day today. I didn't get a lot done, but a couple things I just want to mention. You know, I'm going LED on the Colorado, but you know what? HID, man, I'm sold on the HID, the brightness of the HIDs. Those are 75 watt HIDs I got on the roof there of the Bronco. I'd like to do that to the Colorado too, but I'm already committed to the LED gravities, and I just added a aux beam light bar, 30-inch light bar to the Colorado. So, but that lights up the whole street. Okay, so I'm not using the remote microphone. Hope you can hear me. There's a little breeze blowing. I just want to say, you know, when you do things yourself, it's going to take more time. So, number one thing, don't get frustrated or worry about the time. You know, just focus on what you're doing. Otherwise, you're going to frustrate yourself because you're looking at the clock. You know, I got to get it done by a certain time, and it drives me nuts. So it starts getting dark and I got, man, a little more to do. So, just my recommendation, if you do things DIY, try not to give yourself a time limit, because that really just makes you cut corners. You're going to get frustrated because you're not focused on the work, you're more focused on the time getting things done. So, try to relax, take it easy, throw on some music while you're working. I get a lot of complaints about that music in the background, but you know what? I'm trying to just keep calm and get things done. So I just wanted to make a quick video about that because I didn't get a whole lot done today. Because once I really got into it and I got focused, I was able to make changes, and I go, you know what, that's not going to work. Let's not do that. Start over. I got all day, you know. I'm going to kill a kid with a basketball right now. But, you know, I got up this morning, I had a cup of coffee, I had the right frame of mind, I was motivated, you know, I had some ambition this morning, so I got right into it, you know. I throw on some old clothes. Didn't even put socks or underwear on, you know, just throw on some jeans and a t-shirt and came out here and started working all day. Didn't brush my teeth, shower, or nothing. Just so, that video is coming up.